Welcome back to the Gratitude Warrior, where we explore the mystical world of astrology, chakras, and crystals to empower your spiritual journey. Today, we're diving into the 12 houses of the Zodiac, the foundational pillars that shape every aspect of your life. At the moment of your birth, the planets were positioned in specific zodiac signs and houses. When interpreted in your birth chart, they blend the meaning of each planet, the house it occupies, and the sign it's in to produce a map of the challenges and opportunities you could encounter throughout your life. As planets move through the 12 houses, they illuminate and activate the traits associated with those areas of your chart. Astrologers use these houses to predict which aspects of your life will come into focus and where you can make the most effective choices. To dive deeper into the meaning of each house, the following is a brief explanation of each house. And yes, all 12 houses are present in your birth chart, though not all may contain a planet. The first house is self and identity. The first house is all about you. It represents your self-image, your appearance, and how you present yourself to the world. It's often called the house of self because it sets the stage for your personality and personal identity. The second house is finances and values. The second house is the house of possessions. This house rules over your finances, personal belongings, and the value you place on material things. But more than that, it speaks to your self-worth and values. The third house is communication and learning. Communication is key in the third house. It rules over how you speak, think, and learn. It also influences your immediate environment, including relationships with siblings, neighbours, and early education. The fourth house is home and family. The fourth house is the foundation of your emotional life. Known as the house of home, it governs your family, roots, and where you feel most secure. It's about your connection to your upbringing and your sense of belonging. The fifth house is creativity and romance. Welcome to the house of fun. The fifth house rules creativity, romance, and self-expression. It's where we find joy through hobbies, playfulness, and even our love life. The sixth house is health and daily routine. The sixth house brings us back to our day-to-day reality. This is the house of health and daily work. It governs your wellness, routine, and how you serve others. Balance is key here, ensuring you nurture both body and mind. The seventh house is partnerships and relationships. Relationships take the spotlight in the seventh house. This is the house of partnerships, ruling over both personal and business relationships. It's where you focus on one-on-one connections and learn about commitment, cooperation, and compromise. The eighth house is transformation and shared resources. Transformation is at the heart of the eighth house, often called the house of rebirth. This house rules over shared finances, intimacy, and the deep changes we undergo in life. It's also linked to secrets, taboo subjects, and personal power. The ninth house is exploration and higher learning. The ninth house encourages us to look beyond the horizon. It's the house of expansion, ruling travel, higher learning, philosophy, and spiritual growth. This house inspires us to explore new ideas and seek a greater understanding of the world. The 10th house is career and public image. Ambition and legacy define the 10th house. This house of career focuses on your achievements, your public image, and the mark you leave on the world. It's all about your professional life and long-term goals. The 11th house is friendships and social networks. The 11th house is where we find community. Known as the house of friendships, it governs your social circles, networks, and your vision for the future. It's about how you contribute to the collective and the groups you're part of. The 12th house is spirituality and the subconscious. The 12th house is the most mysterious. Known as the house of the unconscious, it governs spirituality, secrets, and the things hidden deep in your psyche. It's a place of reflection, healing, and even letting go of the past. Understanding the 12 houses of the Zodiac can offer profound insight into your personal astrology chart and the unique path you walk in life. If you're ready to dive deeper on all things astrological, hit that like button and subscribe for more astrology, chakra, and crystal insights from the Gratitude Warrior.